Semovente 47/32. The Semovente L40.47/32 was an Italian self-propelled gun built during World War II. It was created by mounting a Cannone .47/32 anti-tank gun in an open-topped, box-like superstructure on a L6/40 light tank chassis. Some were built as command tanks, with a radio installed instead of the main gun. An 8mm machine gun disguised as the 47mm main gun was used on these versions to make them look like a regular Semovente 47/32s. About 300 Semoventi 47/32 were built from 1941 onward. The Semovente 47/32 was the most heavily armed Italian armored fighting vehicle used on the Eastern Front. While the 47mm gun was adequate for 1941, by the time the Semovente reached the field it was already outdated and ineffective against enemy medium tanks, and therefore the vehicle was not particularly successful. After the Italian armistice in September 1943, the German army took all Semovente 47/32s they could get hold of for their own use. The German designation was StuG L6 47/32 630. Some of these were provided to Germany's Croatian puppet state and the Slovene Home Guard. Variants: Semovente L40.47/32, standard variant, carrying 70 rounds of ammunition in the hull and lacking a radio. Caro Commando Platoon per Semovente 47/32. Platoon commander vehicle equipped with a merely RF-1CA radio set at the expense of a reduced ammunition capacity 47 rounds. The main visual difference from the standard variant was a single radio aerial. Caro Commando Compagnia per Semovente 47/32, company commander vehicle equipped with two radio sets, a merely RF-1CA and a RF-2CA. The main gun was removed to make room for the radio equipment. In its place there was an 8mm Breda mod 38 machine gun, disguised as a 47mm gun. This variant had twin radio aerials as well as the mock gun barrel.